am Chuck Homolka. I farm between Central City and Chapman, right along Highway 30. I started Golden Harvest corn about the 2009-2010 era is when I got started with the product, and been growing it ever since. So I plant the E113N8 and E116K4 products, Enogen products, mainly because they withstand drought really well. They can take some of the hotter conditions. They kind of got some southern type breeding behind them, so they're more adapted to our climate to handle those hot, dry type environments which we experienced this last summer. I've been planting the N8 variety probably since it came out, 6-7 years, and it's always been really reliable, consistent. The K4, about the same length of time. They both dry down nice. I plant the longer season one just so I got a little bit more of a window for harvest, so I'm not trying to pick it all at the same time at the same moisture. So the thing I find that Golden Harvest kind of stands out from all the other companies and its competitors is their variety, the different offerings they have as far as like the Enogen corn and those type of crops. I've been growing Enogen here for almost the whole 10 years. I put up bin storage for the ethanol plant that's just about 10 minutes down the road here to the east at Central City, Green Plains. So they've been using the Enogen corn, and I pretty much grow it and store it for 8 to 10 months for them, take it in the later months. I would recommend Golden Harvest corn to my neighbors or other farmers in the area. At least give it a try, put it up alongside some of their numbers they're planting and competitors of Golden Harvest just to see if it would work in their environments and in their practices. I think it's worth it. Working with all the Golden Harvest crew and their products and everything, it makes my job of farming a little bit simpler, I guess, or more relaxing, because I know I got some good support there behind me. They come with some good varieties, some good genetics. Make sure I get started in the right direction with the right products. They just give me the tools to make sure I know, the maturities, what to expect. And so when it does start to emerge, start to grow, if I see something that may be a little bit questionable or something, I can call those same people. They're right there to answer questions. They're in the field, they're looking. I think it's super important to have those boots on the ground there to support you, not just somebody over the phone, saying, well, it could be this or it could be that. They're willing to come out, take a look, and give you a solid answer. I see myself continuing with Golden Harvest going down the road.